We've got a box opening for you. This is the Bezgar HP141, HP141S. There's two different models they have. Find out which one we got in here. This literally just got released like a day ago from Bezgar. It's on their website right now. You can check it out at bezgar.com. That's BEZGAR.com. I'll pop this so you can see. Bezgar. See, there you go. This is their 1/14 scale. I'm excited to see what it looks like. This is our first time checking it out. Let's get into it. Oh yeah, watch this. And action, action, action. Always gotta have something sharp on the hands. Side view. Duh. Can't get my fingers in there. One thing I've noticed about these boxes when we've got other Bezgar products, there we go. Yeah. You gotta open it almost on the side. See? More stuff. Boom. First thing that pops out. Warranty. Activation card. Instructions. And the moment of truth. Which one is it? Oh, I can see the color already. All right. Throw the box over. This color is... Whoa, how do we get this thing open here? All right, first off, this can hold the controller. We've had this with other Bezgar products. Let's open this up here. Okay, this is pretty typical of the same controller we've had with other Bezgar products. Has a nice little foam wheel. Yeah. Bezgar battery pack, so this will protect your battery so it doesn't explode when charging. Comes with some tools, charging stick. These are interesting. These are new. These are springs. Let's figure out what these are. And that's our wheelie bar. It's a different looking wheelie bar than I'm used to. All right, move it on to the side. How do we get this boy open? Does not come out. Oh. Boom. All right, gonna open. Oh. And there she is. Bring her up. Interesting setup. Air tires. I like that color. So let's get into this model a little bit. This is the HP141. They have the HP141S, which is a yellow body chassis, and has a different size battery. This one comes with a 2S battery. The HP141S comes with a 3S battery. The motor of these is pretty much identical. So you can get on their website. You can purchase the 3S battery for this guy, and then increase the speed pretty much close to what the 141S will do. Let's show you the backside. Independent suspension. And it's independent suspension as well up front. LED lights. They've said they've upgraded this, and I agree. They've got a rod down here, according to what the website's shown. We'll get into that. And it's supposed to help strengthen up this thing. Let's compare it to a different model of theirs. Da-da-da-da. This is the HP141S. Check out the bottom on this. It is plastic. This one is metal. Again, here's the HP141S. Here's the 141S. Let's take a look at the tires. As you can see, these tires are definitely bigger on this boy. Let's line them up like that. See a little bigger wheelbase. It's definitely wider, longer. Not a lot of height difference, obviously. Let's go down. But wider, definitely longer. Oh yeah, we're excited about this. I think these are definitely going to be a fun addition to the Bezgar lineup. I already know this guy's been a blast for us. I can tell this one's going to be just as fun. All right, let's take these pins off and see what the insides look like. Wow, she is held down. All right, whoa, here we go. There's the rod that they've been talking about. This rod is supposed to help maintain this chassis so it doesn't flex, extra strength. There's our battery. That's a 2S again on this model, 3S on the S version. Motor with a fan. ESC with a fan. You got a Dean's plug. Again, we love Dean's plugs. There's your suspension. Whew. I like the setup on this a lot. Just a lot more strength compared to this guy. We're excited to see how this handles up to bashing, jumping, flips, the skate park. What else is there to say? Good job, Bezgar. I'm thinking this is going to be a winner. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're excited to test this out. More reviews on this way for this product. Many other products from Bezgar. They're doing it right, guys. Again, this is the HP141. Comes in this model or the S model, which is a bigger battery. A little bit better setup for speed. Check them out. Bezgar. BEZGAR.com. Torque Magazine, signing out.
Epic drop.